Hey, you guys, welcome back. This is Sean and Libby
Hello.
with Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today we're going to be doing a buyer's agent preview, a listing that is held by Don and Bubba with Counts Real Estate. And Libby, I'm going to flip the camera around and you can tell us where we're at.
We are at 493 Wahoo Road. We do have a little traffic here every now and then, so you will hear some cars driving by.
Well, let's head inside then.
Okay, that's great. We're going to be looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, a little under 2,000 square feet.
And I'm going to just spoil it right now and say we already went inside and turned on the lights, and it is cute as a button. I love it.
What's really nice about this, Sean, if you'll notice, we do have a pool. You can see as soon as you walk in. So we are on the canal, and being able to see the water and the canal and the pool is a nice view coming in the front door.
Absolutely. So right as you walk in and turn to the left, we're going to look at our first bedroom here.
Would you like for me to close the door?
Sure.
Okay.
With a very spacious walk-in closet.
Can I tell you, I did sell this house one time?
Well,
Several
Libby,
years ago.
I think you sold everything in Bay Point at least once or twice.
Well, maybe.
So I think that's no surprise to our viewers.
But it's a very comfortable home.
Yeah, normally I don't see each bedroom having a walk-in closet like this. That's really a nice touch. So there's our first 2 bedrooms and the guest bath. I kind of missed this area here. What's this over here?
They've made it into a bar, I forgot actually like a butler's pantry area.
Oh, does that door go to the garage maybe?
Yes, it does.
Okay. This is a bar. You got a cooler there for your beer or whatever you like to keep cold.
Yes.
I do like this copper sink too.
Oh, that's
Very
pretty
fancy.
neat. Yeah.
And then into your main living space, we got vaulted ceilings here and looks like a gas fireplace.
Yes, it is.
And then your kitchen.
It's a big area, Sean.
Yeah, we'll get a nice view from the cooking and washing area.
Look at this large fan. Have you ever?
Do you know the brand of that?
No.
Oh, okay. Well,
No, I just don't remember ever seeing a fan this large.
yeah, I'm pretty sure it's called, the actual brand name is called a big ass fan.
No, that's a big ass fan of you and me. But this is a large looking commercial fan. Huh. What a neat. Okay.
I know you guys want to see the backyard and the canal, but we're going to take you to the primary bedroom first. Look at these floors. Beautiful.
It must be his and her closet.
Are they both walk-in? Yeah.
And another nice large bathroom. Look at this, Sean.
I'm coming.
Does this remind you of anything? Any wild ideas for us? Look at this.
When I used to be a king?
No, this is, think of party night.
Oh boy,
A
no.
nice glass of champagne. You and Alice. You and Alice, you and me.
Well,
No, maybe you and Alice. Okay.
you're too much.
Mm-hmm.
So we got another shower here. And private water closet. All right, I think we've been...
Also a nice linen closet. Just
Yeah,
very important because
we like to be thorough. That's why we do these videos, so we don't miss
this is important
anything.
because Harry and I, as you know, moved out of our home and we are in a condo. The master bath does not have a linen closet, so I'm having to use a guest linen closet. So going from one room to another to get your towels is not real fun.
Well,
So this is important
yes.
to me. Just thought I'd tell you that.
Important to everyone, I'm sure. You know, I think we've been teasing everyone long enough about this view, but did we even mention what neighborhood we're in?
We are in Bay Point,
Okay.
the Bay Point development.
You mentioned there's a canal here.
Yes, we have a canal that's about 1.5 miles to 2 miles long.
So you could park your boat out back of this house?
You could, depending on the height of it, whether or not you could get it under the bridge.
Let's go take a look.
Let's go. Be careful, please, with the step down. And I know these houses, I've sold these as well. Now I may be
Beautiful.
bragging a little bit.
Oh,
Okay.
you have every right to. This is beautiful. Looks like there's an outdoor shower here as well. And there is a chimney. So I wonder how difficult or easy it would be to convert it to a wood burning fireplace if you wanted. Oh, we got a cleaning station right here.
Yes. Oh my gosh, and look, you're a short distance to the bridge and a shorter distance to the bay.
Okay, let's take a look across and down, or excuse me, up the canal here.
Wow.
So we got some good sized boats in here, but as Libby was mentioning, there is a bridge up ahead, so your height of your boat would have to be under 15 feet to get underneath that bridge. Is that right?
That's at mean low tide, yes.
Yeah, okay. Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. And if you have any questions about this property, our contact information is in the description area below. And if you feel like giving us a thumbs up, a share, or do me a favor, Libby too, smash that subscribe button before you click on to the next video.
Fantastic.
We'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye for now.